Hi there, this is Michael Leaf from sleepprogramming.org, and today I'd like to discuss about something very fascinating. Have you ever wondered what it's like to learn while you sleep? Contrary to popular belief, it's not just a kooky episode on the Sci-Fi Channel. The idea of enhancing your subconscious while sleeping soundly in bed is actually quite real, and not to mention relevant. After all, it's a competitive world out there. If you want to get ahead of the game, the easiest option I can think of is to engage in sleep programming, which is also known as sleep learning. How does sleep programming work? Before you let your imagination go crazy and think of electrodes attached to your head, let me stop you, right here, right now. It's completely different from what you might think. All you need is a sleep learning CD, a CD player, and hopefully a comfortable bed. As you sleep, the words you hear will casually slip into your subconscious, making it easier for you to absorb whatever it is you want to absorb when awake. Is sleep programming effective? That said, it's time we broach the subject of effectiveness. How much of an impact does it have on a person? If you learn while you sleep, do you retain what you've learned the next day? Sleep programming is not meant to be a replacement for actual learning. You can't avoid studying for an exam, pop in a CD on the topic for the evening and expect to ace tomorrow. It's meant to be an added boost. It's programmed to help your subconscious reinforce what your consciousness has already learned. You might not be able to learn a complete language just by listening to your sleep learning CD every night alone, but it will tremendously boost your ability to learn it when awake. Is sleep programming safe? This is probably one of the frequently asked questions of those who are new to this unique system of programming your mind. To quell your fears, yes, this is absolutely safe. It has been proven by studies done at the San Diego State University, and it's even being used by the US military to teach Morse codes to their trainees. Just think about it. People have been subjected to subconscious learning for almost all of their lives, although they don't always know it. For example, people who meditate often make use of tranquil music and other such CDs to help them get into a proper meditative state. Think of all the hours you spend sleeping in bed, and then think of how much your mind can absorb in those hours. It's definitely a win-win situation. If you wish to know more about sleep programming and how it could improve your life, visit www.sleepprogramming.org.